So here is the Voiceflow Chatbot tutorial. Voiceflow Chatbot is a platform that allows users to design and build AI-powered chatbots without coding, using a drag-and-drop interface to create conversational flows focused on creating text-based chatbots on websites. So here on the website, if you look on the top, you will get to see all of these options. So to get started, you can click on Sign In or Get Started over here. So if you already have an account, just click on Sign In. After that, just wait for it to load up. As you can see, it may take a little bit of time. Here, you can choose to continue with Google, then click on Continue. After that, wait for a few moments again. Sometimes it may take a while to load up, so be patient and give it some time. So after loading up, you will land on this page. It says, what's the goal of your AI agent? So go through the options and choose the one that you want, then click on Continue. After that, what are you building? Here, choose from these options and click on Continue again. After that, who are you building agents for? Then choose how many employees. And also, are there any developers on your team? Lastly, how did you find us? So select all of those options, and on this page, you need to fill up these sections, starting with your name. Then, from the options here, choose your default language. After that, you can select any of the starter template. After that, click on Get Started. Here, you can put in a URL of the web page you want to import. So here, I will type in voiceflow.com for now, but you can put in the web page URL where you want to use the chatbot. After that, click on Import, and as you can see, it's now processing. So give it some time until it reaches 100%. So once it's done, you will be redirected to the Voiceflow dashboard, and as you can see, it's currently loading. And once you're here, on the right side, you will get to see this chatbot. If you have any questions, you can ask the chatbot and it will help you out. So here, as an example, let's type in a question. What services do you offer? So once you type in your question, just press Enter. And as you can see, the response is being loaded. And you will get a response right away. And if you look over on the main page, you will get to see all your data sources. You can select all your data sources from here. For now, let's go ahead and close this AI agent. Then click on your data source. And as you can see here on the right, you will get to see all of the information from your data source. So just scroll through to check it out. So after that, if you look over on the top right, you will see Settings, Preview, and Add Data Source. So let's click on Add Data Source and you will get to see these options. Here, you have the option for URL, sitemap, upload file, plain text, and Zendesk. If you select sitemap, you'll be able to put in your sitemap URL on this section. For now, I will just use this one. After that, just click Continue. So here it says no URLs found in sitemap. So let's close this. Now, click on Add Data Source and select URLs from the options. Here, paste the same URL and click on Import. And as you can see, the data source has been added. Then, if you click on the data source, you will get to see its available information on the right side. So let's go ahead and click on it. So here, it says you need to enable JavaScript to run this app. So for that, you can click on the button on the bottom right corner and ask the AI agent for help. And if you want to know about something else, you can just type it in here and it will give you the answer to your question. And as you can see, I've asked it about best AI building project. Then, you will get an instant answer like this. This way, you can get answers to all your questions. Now, let's go over and check out the left panel. Here, under Agent, you have all of these options. So let's go ahead and click on Workflows. And for now, let's minimize this AI agent message box. So once you're here in the Workflow section, click on your workflow and select Edit Workflow. And here, you will get to see the different segments of your workflow displayed like this. And on the left side, you will get to see options like AI, which has Response AI, Set AI. Then you have talk, listen, logic, and depth. And on talk, you have message, prompt, image, card, and carousel. Here, just drag and drop any of these segments that you want to add on your workflow. And as you can see, we now have the message section. Type in your desired message on the right panel just like this. You can also click on Variants, and here, you will get to see all of these options to customize your message. So this way, just put in your desired message, and once you're done, open up your chat agent again. And as you can see, along with their preset messages, your new message will be displayed in the chat box. Then, let's go over to the left panel again. Here, hover over Listen. You will get to see options like buttons, choice, and capture. So here, if you want, you can drag and drop any of these options to your workflow. Also, if you want to make changes to your existing segments, just go ahead and select the one that you want to make changes to. After that, you will get to see all of these options over here as well. So go through these options and select the one that you want. You can also add additional segments to your workflow just by going over to the left panel and dragging your desired segment onto your workflow. Then select the segment and you will get to see all of these options on the right panel. So go through them and set them up according to your preference. So this way, go through these options on the left panel and check out the different functions that they provide. That way, you'll be able to integrate your desired segments. And over here, you can click on Start to check out your segment, or you can also click on Run on the top right corner, and after that, click on Run Test for your AI agent. And as you can see, it's now loading up. So once you're here, start your conversation with your AI agent. This way, you'll be able to test your AI agent and make sure that it's working as expected. But since I didn't set up my AI agent properly with their questions and answers, I'm seeing this error. So make sure that you set it up properly. Now, let's go ahead and click on Back on the top left and click on this plus icon on Workflows. Here, type in the name for your workflow. After that, put in a description. Then, just click on Create Workflow and a brand new workflow will be created. After that, on this section that says Add Trigger, click on it. And on the Trigger section, you can choose between Intent and Event. And if you click on the three dots, you can duplicate or delete it. Then, just go ahead and add different segments to your workflow. Customize it from scratch to make it fit your requirements. And add as many segments as you need in order to make your chatbot perfect for your purpose. And once you're done setting it up, go ahead and click on Publish on the top right corner. Then, you need to put in a name, release notes, and click on Publish. And as you can see, it's now preparing to publish your agent. So give it some time to process it. So that is the beginner guide and the process of how Voiceflow Chatbot works.